your day with a prayer to seek blessing for a day filled with learning and inspiration. I invite school choir to lead the prayer.
Walking to the Lord, we are walking the morning. Lift up your hearts for you walking the Lord. Singing to the Lord, we are singing.
Attention! Stand at ease. Attention! Now let's take the pledge. I invite Sri Shabari to lead the school pledge. I promise to read every day. I will read books, newspapers and stories. I will respect books and keep them safe. I will share what I read with others. Reading will help me learn and grow. Good morning, respected teachers and dear friends. Here are today's top news headlines. Missile risks between Iran and Israel escalate, including an attack on an Israeli hospital. Dozens are hurt and both sides are responding strongly. And my dear friends, June 19th, we celebrated National Reading Day to honor the remarkable contribution of P.N. Panikkar, a pioneer in promoting literacy and reading habits. Known as the father of library movement in Kerala, Panikkar's tireless effort transformed countless lives through education and access to books.
Who is the author of the poem Asam Panikkar? Answer: Bailopilli Sridhara Menon. Who is the author of the novel Muttashi? Answer: Cherugadu.
Good morning everyone. Toto-chan is a heartwarming and inspiring story about a little girl named Toto-chan and her life a very special school called Tomo in Japan.
Asha Bharadame Advaita Mandra Dhonigale Arya Dravida Kolutti Vacha Deebashiga Danjalaida Asha Bharadame